everyone. Okay, I look absolutely insane. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Serena. I'm going to be doing my maintenance routine. This is what I do. I do everything at home. Everything is affordable. Even though we're on a budget, we can still look amazing. We can still look like that girl, okay? Anyways, I feel like I yap a lot. I'm a certified yapper, and I don't want to sit here and talk for too much, so let's just get into this maintenance routine. I did my self tanner, which I'm going to show, but I did like a second layer today, which is like a few days later after I did my initial tan, but I'll show that. These are the products I'm using right before I do my tan: exfoliate, moisturize, and then my self tanner. And then, as you can see, I just applied my self tanner with my hands, and then shortly after that I actually grabbed a makeup brush and I started blending all the tanner throughout my body. That way it would dry up evenly. In these scenes, you can look at my neck and see it's getting really red. I ended up getting an allergic reaction from the self tanner being on my neck. I have really sensitive skin, and I ended up breaking out, so I had to wipe off the self tanner on my neck. This is what my body looks like with all the self tanner on. The Jergens self tanner actually surprised me because I loved how it came out. It looks pretty natural. A few days later, I actually went back and re-tanned my body. So I put a second layer of the self tanner on, and I came out looking pretty toasty. Hey everyone, okay, so I'm out of the shower. I don't feel like doing my hair right now, so I'm just putting it up in a clip, and I think I'm gonna start on my lashes. So I'm just on the floor, sitting in the living room, watching a movie. I'm watching Miss Congeniality. What a better movie to watch. And so I'm gonna try and do false lashes. I've done this once before, but the glue I used was so cheap, like I did not like it. So I'm gonna try to actually attempt to do false lashes. So I have the Kiss Lash Couture lash extensions, and it's just like little kit like this. I bought these other false lashes just in case if I wanted to use something different. This is also by Kiss False Mascara. Okay, so let's try to do this. Applying the lashes was pretty easy, but I was having a hard time getting them even, and they weren't as dramatic as I wanted them to be. They still looked more natural than I wanted, and personally it just wasn't giving what I wanted it to give, and But here's the finished look. I just dealt with it and moved on. These are my favorite hair products that I've been using on my hair. I actually use 2 heat protectants and a leave-in conditioner every time I style my hair. I will put my hair up in sections and apply all the products throughout my hair. This is my natural hair. This is how it looks most of the time when I don't style it. I love my waves, but I just do not know how to style it on its own. And then my hair dried up too fast, and it's hard for me to blow dry my hair with my waves, so I had to re-wet it. And then here, just in sections, I blow out my hair. Okay, I've been wanting to change my part to the side like this, but I don't know, I'm still like not used to that. Sometimes my face is so oval like it is right now where it makes my face look weird. Sometimes like my head shape is like heart, and that's what I've been wanting instead of an oval shape. But I like my hair the most like this. But then my face gets wider when it's on the side, which is kind of what I want. I want my face to look wider. So I don't know if I should do it like this. I don't know. So I would like y'all's help to like, what do y'all think best? I'm now taking this collagen face mask, and I ended up loving this face mask. It feels like jelly on your skin. My mom gave this to me. I'm not sure where she got it from. Probably from TikTok, because she buys a lot of stuff from TikTok. It is the next day, and I'm applying these French nails from the brand Kiss. I wear these nails all the time, actually. Don't mind my hands. I know there is no tanner on them. I actually tried to fix my hands to match with the self tanner, but it just didn't happen. I also wash my hands all the time, so it just wasn't gonna happen. up pretty quick. I've posted on my channel before my recent makeup routine, so if you want a more in-depth, go check that out. Here I'm just going to go through it pretty quick. I then redo my bangs. Something about me is my bangs are my top priority when it comes to my hair. It frames my face. I feel like it's what ties in my hairstyle together. I wanted to try this hairstyle trick that I saw on TikTok. This girl put up her hair in a scrunchie and she curled the ends of her ponytail and then she wrapped them up in curlers. And then she hairsprayed all of her hair and let it cool down for a while, and her hair came out so voluminous, so I wanted to try it for myself. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at my hair. I was like, I just took it out of the ponytail. Oh my gosh, look at this. On the day that I was filming this, I was getting ready for a Galentine's dinner with my aunts, my sister, and my stepmom, and I was just going through outfits trying to figure out what I wanted to wear. I really wanted to wear this leopard skirt, but I just couldn't really find an outfit to put together. I thought about this red sparkly top, but I wasn't sure, and then previous before was that pink dress. Okay guys, I decided on the pink dress just because the other outfits I wanted to wear, I can wear them literally like any time of the year and it doesn't matter. But this dress, I have owned this dress for like 3 years and I've never worn it. So I just told myself, you know what, I'm gonna be extra and wear it to dinner. Okay, so this is the dress I'm gonna be wearing. And then I have some, you can't see it, but I have these, they're kind of dirty because they're my favorite heels. I wear them all the time. Oh, they are so dirty. Who cares? But they are this, like, you see that? I wear them everywhere. These are like rainbow colored heels with like the diamonds on it. They're Gianni beanie. So Here we are at dinner. This is my sister, and we all just played a game including gift exchanging, and it was pretty fun. So just had all the girls together, and this is my cousin Kayla. And that is it for this video, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye!